title, yes, this is the unboxing of the Nike Air Rubber Dunk shoe / off-white shoe in University Gold, which I haven't seen many videos about. I don't think the hype is as popular on this shoe. The shoe has a retail price of $180 US, which is around 749.52 Malaysian ringgit. I got it for 775 on the Nike official website. I think it was like an energy drop. I ordered it on the 19th of October. And then today is the 4th of November. It said that it would arrive on the 8th, so it is early. But yeah, this is the box. It's cool, I guess. I mean, like, it's just a box. Let's open the box. Here's the shoe. Yeah, as you can see, it came out of that big box. It is this, I don't know, I mean, it's just a box. Oh, I got it in a size 5.5. This is the shoe. Packaging, not that great. The tissue paper is like, I don't know, torn. But here is the shoe. It's much better than the picture. Like the picture. Okay, let's talk about the shoe, I guess. I really don't know anything about it. I'm not a sneakerhead. But it came in 3 colors. This one, which is the University Gold, the UNC, and then the green and black one. The ones that look like toddler shoes. That one is literally the most like hyped one. All the videos I saw were on those. Off the bat, on the left shoe, it has the zip tie. It doesn't say anything on it. It's like this foam zip tie. Okay. It says made in China. It has a made in China tag. It comes with white laces attached to the right shoe. I think I like the white laces more than the gold. I feel like the gold, it is too much. It has really cool insole. No one's gonna see that, but I guess it's very cool. Let's go try them on.
𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬